So I've been working on this 392 and I was thinking to myself, how cool would it be to get what this sounds like with no exhaust on really expensive microphones? Let's find out. But this is what I was doing. Replace one of these. If you want to see the video on this, I'll link it in the description. Alright, well, we have the recording software up, and the very expensive, well, it was pretty expensive to me back in the day, this Apollo, which goes all the way to my very expensive microphone. It costs about $4 grand. And the other one I built to sound like the $4,000 microphone. So it's a very expensive setup here. We have audio, we've got video. Let's make some magic happen. I know I'm going to get a couple of error codes for this, but be worth it. Uh-oh, what happened?